Hi, this is Scott Middle, the Vice President of Sales at Insaco. I wanted to try to convey the clearances that we can hold and the tolerances that we can hold here at Insaco. And the best way to do that is with a piston and sleeve assembly. We manufacture sleeves and we manufacture pistons. And these surfaces, the difference between these surfaces is typically measured to about 50 millionths of an inch. Now, it's very easy for us to say it's 50 millionths of an inch. But in order to put that into terms, it might be better to think about what the thickness of a sheet of paper is. In the case of a thickness of a sheet of paper, you would think, oh, it's almost the same in terms of the clearance that you're holding. Well, it's really quite significantly thicker. Do you think it's 10 times? Do you think it's 50 times? It's actually 100 times thicker than the clearances that we're holding. So just another example of trying to convey clearances and tolerances that we can hold. If you have any additional questions, please go to www.insaco.com.